My name is Dale Cutler, and I've been in the industry for 4 decades. I started snowmobiling in 1973, and I've had my business going since 1988. That's when Cutler's Performance Center came into existence.
Here's some of the basic tools when checking belt deflection. Here's the 2014 snowmobile as delivered from Arctic Cat. Belt deflection is the amount of movement of the belt between the drive clutch and the driven clutch. This measurement is normally measured by taking a straight edge and laying it across the belt, and then taking and pulling down on the drive belt and then measuring the distance between the ruler and the belt. Correct belt deflection should be pulling down on the belt about 15 pounds of pressure and then measuring this distance, and it should be between 1 inch and 1 1/4 inch is the factory tolerance on here. Okay, belt deflection is adjusted by removing this bolt, pushing down on this plug, and then there's a rubber O-ring that can be removed, and there are shims on this plug. When you add shims, you tighten up the belt deflection or change the amount of movement here, because it forces the driven clutch closer together, which makes the drive belt ride further in the groove, therefore changing the circumference of where the belt rides in the clutches. So if it rides further out on the driven clutch, then the belt length is changed. And again, by removing or adding shims, you can change belt deflection. Very easy to do on the trail. Very easy, simple adjustment. Probably the very best thing that you can do to get the most performance out of a belt and not spend a dime.